Greetings, everyone. Senior Master Reed here. Hope that you are doing well. We have a lot of events going on, so let's get right to it. We have our most exciting, most fun-filled summer camp coming up next week. That is our Nerf summer camp, and we invite you guys to go ahead and get signed up. PMAsummercamps.com. You can also walk in on Monday morning. The paperwork that you need is on the site at PMAsummercamps.com. So please take a look at that. Then we have, following the next week, our kickboxing camp, and that will be a lot of fun. And since John, we're really working with the kids. And that's a chance for your child to get in and get a lot of work and actually elevate themselves as a martial artist. Next Saturday, a lot of stuff going on. We have Juneteenth celebration at the Marietta Square. Our school will be down there representing and doing the things that we do. And then at noon, we will have a Bring Dad to Martial Arts class. So we invite all the dads to come out with the kids and get some training in. And then we have an adult self-defense class at 2 o'clock. Now, once again, parents, it's free. Please come out, take advantage of what we have going on. Other than that, I'm going to wrap it up and say thank you guys so much for being a part of our success, and we look forward to being of service to everyone. Terima kasih, aloha, one love.